Hi, my name is Brittney, and I'm an association manager here at ACCU. Essentially, the position of a management company is to act as an agent on the board of directors. We still want to meet the shared goals of the entire community, and that's how you create harmony and you create prosperity within a community, is by making sure that each homeowner has the platform to be heard, the person that they need to be heard by, as well as their needs actually being met when those needs are expressed and concerned. I really pride myself in actually delivering that level of customer service. It's not simply just a sales pitch where we're here to promise you a bunch of things that we're unable to deliver. We at ACCU really pride ourselves in delivering that level of service. We actually have an all-encompassing portal that allows each homeowner to have live access to their ledgers, to be able to submit ARC requests, to be able to put in general inquiries if there's any general questions. The board of directors also has access to that same portal where they're able to go in and see live views of their bank accounts. We do use Vantica. It's one of the leading technologies in homeowners associations, and with that software, we actually enable a lot of the capabilities on Vantica that other management companies might not, so that our board of directors are fully open to everything that is going on within their financials. They get full access to those financial reports. They get live views into their bank accounts. They can see any violations that have been issued throughout the community, people who are delinquent on their dues. They're able to also get reports on things like that. So the board of directors is really able to use that portal and make those decisions. Each association is going to be slightly different in what they demand and what they need, but at the end of the day, the goal is the same. They all want customer service. They all want a harmonious and prosperous community, and we do our best to be that level of support that they need in those moments. At ACCU, we try to incorporate the customer service process in our sales process. We want essentially anybody that comes in contact with anybody on our team to get the same level of service. We provide a lot of different materials that we think can be helpful for that. Our portal alone is an excellent resource for both the homeowners and the board of directors to access all that information that they need regularly. When we're going into sales and customer service, we want to make sure that we are providing all the necessary information that is out there so that people can make informed decisions when they're choosing a management company. Making these decisions can be a huge task, and it can seem overwhelming to a regular homeowner, a regular person who just decides to join the board of directors. We are here and we have several different people on our team that have different levels of expertise. We have people who have expertise in customer service. We have people who have expertise in construction and management, accounting, financials. So whatever your association is looking for, we're here to provide that level of service so that you're getting expert answers and you're able to guide and make the correct choices for your association. If we're looking at a townhome association versus single-family homes, their needs are going to be relatively different, as well as what neighborhood they're in. So we go in, we get a good look at the community, and then as a team, we come back and we kind of discuss how we can meet them and essentially be appealing to what their needs are in that community. We're not going to come off and start offering you things that you don't need, because that's not helpful. So we come and we try to offer you the things that we notice within your community that you need. We notice that you need budget assistance. We know that you seem to need vendor assistance. We notice that you need guidance in homeowner management or violations processes. So we're simply here to tailor that down. Our contract is a working document, so we can change the contract to be more all-encompassing for the needs of what that specific association is looking for. We want to give you and provide all the materials that are necessary to be able to make that informed decision in choosing your management company. We want to be fully transparent the entire ride, that we are able to provide that level of service from the beginning to the end. We have several different experts in all different areas here at ACCU that are able to meet your daily needs and help the daily functioning of your community. If you're interested in receiving a management proposal from ACCU, please feel free to reach out. There's several different ways. You can go onto our website and there's a direct link on there to request for proposal. You can go to support@accuinc.com, or you can give us a call at 303-733-1121. We'd be happy to answer any questions that you have and get the ball rolling on your new management company.